In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the crackling sound or noise on Discord. So if your Discord noise suppression is not working, sometimes this happens, sometimes Discord scuffs a bit. To fix this is very easy. So on your profile in the lower left corner, click on the cogwheel user settings, and you're going to go to the user settings. And as you can see, this is the main settings menu here on the slightly center left side. Scroll down a bit until you see voice and video. It's under app settings. It's the third after appearance, accessibility, and then voice and video. So click voice and video, and you're gonna find this interface here. And as you can see here, we're recording, and you can hear my mic. So it determines automatically the sensitivity, so that helps too. But if you're having a crackling issue, scroll down a bit to the bottom. As you can see here, you can see echo cancellation is on, and then you can see here noise suppression. So suppress background noise from your mic. On default, it is going to be on crisp, but if you're cracking, you might want to click none and see if that works, right? And then try to just relaunch Discord. Just click Discord, right? And then relaunch it if see if that works. Most of the time it does, but this is a very rare occurrence. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribing, that bell icon to see you on the next one.